Kudos to it! You found the watch!
Today I'm in the Peshtigo River over by Twin Bridge, Wisconsin. Over here trying to find a watch somewhere in the water. Should be a quick find. Are you Rob?
Well, her watch got lost.
Oh, your watch.
Yes. Between 12 and 13.
Right here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
She was playing all the way in the best section.
Okay.
Pretty much.
And what color watch is it?
It's an Apple Watch, but the wristband is white.
White? Okay, I find a lot of those. I'll find it. Is this it? Oh, there you go.
We found the watch!
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Does it still work?
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Is it? Yeah. Is it still on or did the battery die?
It's on.
It's on!
Yeah.
Thank you
Hey
so
man,
much.
how much do I owe you?
Today is my cleanup day, but if you want to donate, like I do a lot of free cleanup stuff, I'm not going to charge you, but if you want to donate to what I do, that's awesome. Cash, or you can go on my website, edthediver.com, and donate, or you
What
can,
should be the good amount for you, man?
whatever you feel, man.
You tell me.
I was already planning on being in this area.
Would $40 be?
That's good, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
How do you keep the money?
Yeah, right here. It dries off. It dries out. But I'm gonna take a look and see if I find anybody else's stuff, and I'll try to find the owners.
Oh my goodness! What can I get anything from you?
You can go to my website, edthediver.com.
Edthediver.com.
YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can subscribe. That would help.
Ashi, you remember?
edthediver.com.
Thanks. And your name is?
Ed. My name is Ed. So Ed the Diver.
Kudos to Ed! You found the watch!
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. I'm glad I could help you. Have a wonderful day.
Another one. Oh, cool.
Here.
Those have claws.
They pinch, yeah. They hurt too.
Would they hurt you?
Yeah. Yep.
Ashi, look at that fish.
It's a crayfish. Pretty neat, huh?
Oh my gosh.
This is kind of a smaller channel, so there's boats coming in and out of here. I'm gonna wait for this pontoon boat to go by, so they don't have to worry about running into me. And I don't want to get ran over. That's for sure. Found this cool little old Greyhound bus. Found a bunch of old bottles, some glass, broken glass that people could step on when they're swimming. Found a LaSalle bottle right here. Found a couple Orange Crush bottles right here. Just a bunch of other bottles. Look at that sharp thing. Imagine just stepping on that in the water. Found a ratchet. Found a glasses holder, some balls, some piece of a roof there. Found that little gasket there, some rusted metal in the swimming area. Piece of carpet there, piece of carpet there, some rusted metal. Found some sunglasses, some prescription glasses, a ring, this private sign, some beads, carabiner, bungee strap, plastic, and some other stuff. Pretty fun dive. I'm gonna go head out to Twin Bridge, go clean up some more trash.